What do cookies, banana bread, and ice cream have in common? Besides making our mouths water, all three are part of an exclusive Instagram club, the Food Drop Club, and insatiable customers are devouring everything these food drop brands create. So much so that some food dealer brands are making over $200,000 per week. To put it in perspective, that's over $10 million per year. Mind equals blown. In this video, we will discuss how you can join the exclusive Food Drop Club, ideas on creating your own food drop company, and what we would do if we were to start today. And the best part is, anyone from anywhere in the world can get started without much of an investment. If you're interested in learning how money is made in the oddest ways, give us a sub, a like, and if you're really odd, a comment. Now let's get in the food mood. Picture this. It's a dark night outside and you're in your parked car waiting for the infamous black van. You're nervous. Will you get caught? You're sure today is the day it all ends. Then suddenly, the black van appears. And the first thing you notice are the tinted windows, blacker than the night sky. A feeling of regret starts to take over, but you need your fix. A big muscular guy hops out and walks you to the back of his van to pick your assortment of cookies. That's right, cookies. And the big muscular guy you just bought cookies from goes by the name of Juan Morel, also known as the Cookie Monster. Morel, a 39-year-old professional bodybuilder, started a company in 2019 on Instagram called My Cookie Dealer with his wife Karen. What started out as a joke between Juan and Karen now makes an estimated $50,000 per week. And we aren't talking about your regular store-bought cookies. These cookies, weighing half a pound each, are sometimes as big as your hand. But they aren't just big, they also have non-traditional varieties such as banana caramel pecan and chocolate peppermint cookie crumb cake, just to name a few. It's clear that customers like their cookies, just like you should like this video. But what's more astonishing is how My Cookie Dealer keeps customers coming back. Cookies are available for sale only twice per week, usually at noon local time on Wednesdays and Saturdays. This way of distributing their cookies is much more exclusive and taps into the buyer's fear of missing out. And those who miss a drop are sure to be back on the following week for another opportunity, creating this flywheel effect that translates to a nice, healthy bank account. On the days of the cookie drops, My Cookie Dealer will post mouth-watering images to their Instagram, which has a whopping 317,000 followers. Each cookie costs about $5 to $6, and orders must be made in quantities of 5, 10, or 20 to check out. This means they are making $25 to $120 per order, and according to Juan, they always sell out. My Cookie Dealer is not the only food dealer on Instagram. There are plenty of others like 1900 Ice Cream and Allie's Banana Bread, both of which are creating unique and enticing food flavor combinations. And that is where the opportunity lies, reimagining and elevating everyday foods for the masses. You can easily create your own food drop company by thinking outside of the box. Sam Parr from the My First Million podcast said it best. Can you take a regular food item and make a side ingredient the main thing? Make it an unusual color? Make it huge? Combine different foods together or remove stuff from it? Then you may have found yourself the next $1 million business opportunity. We couldn't help ourselves and got in on the fun. Here are 4 food drop ideas that you can try today. Number 1, reimagining Dunkaroos. Dunkaroos were a 90s favorite amongst kids. We think that you could reimagine the Dunkaroo by introducing different flavored cookies and icing combinations. Doesn't a caramel M&M chocolate glazed cookie paired with a peanut butter vanilla hazelnut icing sound delightful? Number 2, eclectic mozzarella sticks. Everyone loves a mozzarella stick. We think that you can elevate the stick with new flavors like a truffle mix breadcrumb stuffed with a garlic parmesan infused cheese. Good. Number 3, extravagant peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Although peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are seen as a quick bite for kids, we think that there's room for a more fancy PB&J. Something like a bourbon and banana flavored peanut butter mixed with a vanilla cake jelly sounds like heaven. And now we're hungry. Number 4, breakfast for dessert. Pancake and waffle batter are easy pickings. Start with a regular batter and add new flavors and toppings to spice it up. Anyone care for some gingerbread pancakes with a white chocolate drizzle? This works because there is no need for expensive restaurant infrastructure and you don't need a costly distribution deal to get shelf space. You can do it all from your own space. The key is to get creative, think outside the box, and go where no one else has gone before. That way you can build a following on Instagram, and when it comes time to drop your food, you sell out. Who knows? Maybe you'll become the next Cookie Monster. If you guys like this video, maybe share it with someone, subscribe, and if you want an even odder way to make money, click on this video or stay common forever. Peace out.